Hello everyone, this is masumjia here. So now we'll see how to improve our Pinterest event match quality score. So like sending additional data about my customers, about my users on my landing page or on my website. For that, you first need to have few things set up. Is GTM first, which you already did, I expect. Which you can check our earlier videos if you have not done already. So just indicate your uh, Google Tag Manager with your Kartra pages, as we did with my Kartra pages already. That's the page. Yes, that's the page is on Kartra. Now we want to improve our event match quality score or send data to event match quality, to so that the data gets improved. Now you see I'm receiving data already. It's an active data. Okay, so no problem. I now go to my GTM. That's my browser container. That's my server container already created, and we are already using it to send Pinterest pixel browser and server data. Now all good. So we want to improvise our event match quality score. Okay, so how do I do that? We first go to my landing page. That's it, Masum. So I have first name and email, for example, but you may have much more than me. So you still need to collect them and send them to Pinterest. So how do you do that? You go to your browser container, click on tags, new, custom HTML, enter the script and trigger. I'll fire the trigger letter. I'll name it. I know what I am going to do. That's why I'm renaming it that way. You may do it one by one, maybe different tag. It's not any problem. First name, email. Okay, all good. Now, what I need to do is I need to go to my landing page and inspect it, copy JS path console dot value. You see, copy this and enter after that comma. All good. Now I also need to collect that email. Inspect. No, copy JS path console. I would turn everything off and enter value. I got the emails. I'm testing it right here so that I don't have to do the back and forth. Okay. Okay, it's done. Now when does it trigger? Means when does we collect this? When someone click on that button, means when someone click on that button to submit that form, right? So that is the button text. Copy, go to your trigger, click on plus, then you choose the element, then click on plus, choose this click text. You may not see after first click, then you can just click on again. You see, that's the click text, right? I would enter here. Yes, okay, all clicks, click text, okay. Subscribe now, save it. Now we have to follow one more step. I'll show you. Go to variable. Yeah, variable is loading, class new, custom JavaScript. Just copy that script. Now, what we are going to collect? First name, right? Sorry, it's not this. I picked the wrong one. This one. This is a first name, right? Remember what you are putting on that tag, like first name, to collect the first name, right? So I would give it first name. However you rename it now doesn't matter, but you need to consistently make that name consistent, like first name. You see, however you have entered it on the tag, it should be here same on the variable. Custom JavaScript, enter it here, and boom, now I'll type my email, save. Okay, should be done. Now I have to send it to Pinterest, right? How do I do that? First, I can send it from my browser as well. You see, hashed email. So I don't have my email hashed, right? So that's why I'll not send it that way. Send it with my server container. Server will receive that thing, that request, right? So here I'll add whatever information I have. User data dot email. and that is the email variable. User data dot first name is first name. I already created it. You can also do it by clicking on that button. So I am doing it by just typing this save. So all done. Submit, publish, skip. Now here, come on your server container. Now we need to send it to Pinterest, right? Through our Pinterest server side tracking. So click on override client data, user data, email. I have email. So you see a lot of things you can send. Click ID, external ID. So but now I'll send first name and email. So how do I get that? Click on plus event data. You will find event data. Keep it is user data dot email. Sorry, it's user date. It should not be user date, right? I typed it wrong. You can directly copy paste from there, okay? However, you're sending it from browser as the key, so I'll send it same here, right? Now plus event data user data dot first name. That's the first name, right? So I would save it first name. However you want to name it, you name it, no problem at all. But make sure that key path is same as you send it from your GFO tag, right? Make sure, just let me show. I'll submit this first. Okay, now come here. Tags, if you look at this, you can directly copy paste from here. You see user data dot email, user data dot first name. So you need to follow these things. First, give that a preview, your server container. It's already previewed. Now I'll give my browser container a preview. Contact, all good, right? It's done. Now it's time for testing if the data is being sent on my test email. I am putting random emails so that we can test our data is sending successfully. Okay, so it's done, right? Now go to container loaded. All the tags are fired. Now if you see, it's being sent test email at gmail.com and first name is this. Now I need to verify from my tag end as well. Now look at this. You are sending this email and first name. So first name is undefined. So it could be the variable mistake I did. You see user data email, but first name has not came up here. So it's because maybe something wrong here actually. Okay, see here user data dot first name. So you just need to send it different. Maybe I would refresh, remove this. Okay, okay, I'd try it again. Okay, submit hello at gmail.com. Okay, I'm showing you every steps I would personally follow. Okay, so if you see that your email is being collected, first name. Now come here, the generate lead, user data hello at gmail.com. Hello, first name. Okay, it's not showing here. There could be some other reason, we can find out later. So that's how we send data. So we can send email, first name, last name, everything you want. Okay, so that's it for now. See you on the next video.